How to reset Messenger PIN on iOS and Android. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we'll show you how to quickly and easily reset your Messenger PIN on Android and iPhone. First, you need to go ahead and open your Messenger application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now, once you're in the Messenger application, tap on the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of the screen to open a menu. Next, tap on the gear icon to open your settings. Now, once you're in the settings page, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Safety that you will find between Accessibility and Data Saver option under Preferences. Tap on that. Now select End-to-End Encrypted Chats that is under Security between App Lock and Safe Browsing. Then tap on Message Storage, which is the initial option in this page, and select Reset PIN that you will find under How to Restore Your Chat History between Saved Key in Google Drive and more options. Once you tap on Reset PIN, it will allow you to create a new PIN. So make it memorable, and you will need it when you switch to a new device in order to restore the older messages. So go ahead and enter any PIN that you'd like to set, and Messenger may ask you to re-enter it or verify your identity using your phone number to regain access to your private chats. So this is to ensure that you can see your encrypted conversations. So that's it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And please make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.